Did you know Nike will pay you to promote their products? It's easy to do, anyone can do it, and you can make up to $5,000 per month doing it. Let me show you how. Go to Google and type in Nike affiliate program, and then you're gonna click on this first link right here. They're going to pay you 11% commission on any sale that you make. Next, you're going to sign up and you're gonna click on apply now. You're gonna get to this page, then you're gonna click on sign up and join program. Fill out the information and then you're gonna hit the submit button. Next, we're gonna go back to Nike.com and then we're gonna choose a product we want to promote. Next, we're gonna go to Pinterest.com and then we're gonna create an idea pin. Then we're gonna add the picture of the product we chose to promote. We're gonna add the title and a brief description of the product. If you don't know what to write here, just copy and paste from Nike.com. Pay attention to the next step because it's super important and this is how you're gonna get paid. It's gonna add you to add a link. This is where you're gonna add your unique affiliate link to that specific product. What I showed you is called affiliate marketing. This is what I do, and you can do this for unlimited products. If you want to learn how regular people like myself are using affiliate marketing to make $1,000 per day commission, comment info below, and I will send you my free 7-step starter guide on how you can get started.